Hello, gorgeous people. You are welcome back again to my YouTube channel. I believe you love this beautiful craft you are seeing on your screen right now. Guess what? It is a no-sew DIY, and I know you will love to see how I came up with this. So you can use this Master Chef cap anywhere, at school, at your place of work. Like, it is a very simple DIY that even a little child can make it. So if this sounds like what you love to watch, kindly watch to the end and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video. The materials needed for this craft are my papers, ruler, marker, pencil, glue, and of course my scissors. I'll be making use of these two A4 papers. You can use 3, 4, or 5 depending on the circumference of your head. So watch me as I join these two papers together, and I am doing this vertically. This Master Chef cap will fit a child of 2 to 3 years. So after joining these two papers, I just grab my ruler and I'll be marking about 5 centimeter at the bottom of the paper. So when I'm done marking 5 centimeter like that, I will just connect the points to form a straight line. So that will serve as the band of this Master Chef cap. When I was done, I just took the measurement of the full paper, and this gave me about 42 centimeter. So what I'll be doing is to divide that 42 centimeter into equal parts. So I use about 3 centimeter to divide it, and I'll be having about 14 lines. Hope you guys understand. I will repeat the same thing for the upper part of this paper. So when I was done marking those 3 centimeters, as you can see me do, I just connected the points, that is from the top to the bottom. If you watch closely, you will see that they are all faint lines. You really don't need to make them thick. But at this point, I couldn't wait to print the MasterChef logo and also to write out the MasterChef. Well, it's good to do it at this time because when you are done with the whole craft, it may be tricky to write those things. This is the back of the paper. I'll just be applying my glue like that and folding it into two. It has to be equally folded like this. Okay, so you try to apply pressure so it stays. I knew I had a difficult time doing this. As you can see, the more I was trying to put the two together, the more it was opening up. But at the end of the day, the two ends still glued together. So when I was done, I just grabbed my scissors. Honestly, this craft is very easy. So I grabbed my scissors, I started cutting along that line. You see why it's good to mark those lines? It will make your cuttings very straight. Some persons usually make use of eye judgment, but this pattern works perfectly for me. If you look closely, you will see that I wasn't exceeding the 5 centimeter line I drew initially because obviously it's serving as a guide. 5 centimeter is not the standard though. You can make use of 6, you can make use of 7 depending on how you want the band to be. But for me, this is just very okay. So when I was done, I then erased the other line I drew because obviously there was no need for it again. So I cleaned it off so it looks very neat. I think we are getting to the last part of this craft. I just this is how it will be. When you fold it, it will form this beautiful shape. But then you will need to, cut out one of those I don't know the name to call it, that ending part. Because if you don't cut it out, it's going to make it look awkward. Don't worry, just keep watching. You will see why I had to cut it. You see, if you cut it out, it will lap very well, as you can see. But if you don't cut it out, it will look somehow. It will look as if it's too bogus right there. So when I was done cutting it out, I just applied little glue there and I'll just be sealing it up. As you can see, this Master Chef cap is ready. You can use it anywhere. It's beautiful. It's something that children will love to have. Maybe you have a child that's interested in catering. This is a very good one for presentation. Okay, so we are done making a Master Chef cap. I want you to also try it and share your experience with me in the comment section. At this stage, you will need to use your hand to arrange it well. And here is the final look. This looks very gorgeous, honestly. If you have watched this video to this point and you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video. See you guys in my next one. Bye.